Hi, this is Sherry from Everything Crafty, and this channel is dedicated to, well, everything crafty. And for the first video we're going to make these cute little sweet jars, which would be good for a stocking filler or a gift for a colleague or a friend. And they have some cute little mini candy canes inside them. So these are the materials we're going to use to make the Christmas sweet jars. We have the 200ml jar, and I bought them at Hobbycraft in a pack of 12 for £6. There's a box of 20 mini candy canes, and these were from Home Bargains. Christmas twine, it came from Hobbycraft. A little punch, that's for the snowman for the buttons, and that came from Hobbycraft. Craft knife, scissors, and some double-sided red tape. I find that works best with the glass, but you can use any kind of glue that you want. And there's the tag that goes on the side, and that is 6 centimeters long by 2.5 centimeters wide. And then there is the circle dies. This is 6.5 centimeters in diameter, and this one is 4.5 centimeters in diameter. You need some glitter card. I got some red and green in a pack from Amazon. Black glitter card for the snowman, and the gold glitter card, as I've used, for the belts, for the buckles, and the black card for the belly band that goes round for the belt. So I've gone ahead and cut these pieces ahead of time to save time on the video. And the red glitter card, which is my nails, it is 22 centimeters long by 5.5 centimeters wide to wrap around the jar. And the two circle dies that we discussed before, one red and one white. And the buckle, it is 4.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters, and I cut with the craft knife a sort of roughly 3/4 of a centimeter all round to cut out the middle. The white tag that we'll stamp later, and a piece of black card for the belt, and that is 3/4 of a centimeter roughly wide, and again 22 centimeters long to wrap around the middle of the jar. So we're going to construct the Santa jar first. So I went ahead of time and put some tape on the back of the glitter card. The one on Amazon is really soft, so it's really pliable to go around the jars. And just there's actually a line in the jars, and just sort of kind of line it up what you think would be the middle. Wrap it around. Try and get it even. Better laying it down on a surface as even as possible. There we go. So there's the main body, and some tape on the end of the belt, and obviously starting at the back again, so you've got just the one joined up line, if I can see it. And just eyeball the middle. You can measure it if you want to, but just kind of eyeballed it. Press it down. I can see the red double-sided tape works really well. And then from for the middle, tape on your buckle. Press down. And this is going to go in with wet glue in the moment, and we're going to stamp the sentiment on the tag. Excuse the noise. So I have with love at Christmas. just in the corner. That's the mess of my stamping station. Well looked after and well used. And just press down. Love it, Christmas. You have any sentiment you want, if you have any sentiments, Merry Christmas, whatever you want to use yourself. And I just took a hole punch and punched a hole in the middle. I like to see where it's going, so I turn it upside down. So we just need a little hole punch. It's this one. You can make a little mark if you want. It'll be better. Not bad. Okay. And this is where you're going to take your twine to wrap around the Santa. Cut a piece off and just thread through. Wrap around your jar. And I found that I managed to squeeze in 12 of the candy canes into the jar quite comfortably. Quite fully, because I don't think you'll get any more in. Just to make it as full as possible. Tie a bow the last time. Just neaten that up a bit, doesn't need that length. Just cut the ends off. You could tie a bow if you wanted. And fill it with the candy canes. I can say it takes about 12. I managed to get in 12. You could make these as a gift, or you could go and sell them at your craft fairs, anything like that. With the materials that I bought, I would say it takes about £2-ish to buy. You could, I haven't counted these. I don't know, £3.99 if you want to sell at your craft fairs. But they're just a cute little gift. I'll say that's 12. And the lid. And then we're going to glue this on top with the wet glue. So we'll just finish off the Santa sweetie jar. Just put some glue on the red piece for the lid, and just press down, try and get it set as possible, and the white piece for his hat. I thought that would look super cute. I seen something similar in a magazine, but it wasn't glitzy enough for me, so I completely made it my own. Adding different pieces. I wanted it sparkly with lots more interest on it. And there we are. A cute little sweetie gift for colleague, family, friends, stocking filler. So this is my first video, so any mistakes you can let me know. I think they're lovely and I'll be giving them to my family. Thank you for watching.